So I'm currently on crutches and I am in a lot of pain, but one thing that always cheers me up is makeup. The problem is my eyes are so puffy from crying and just tension and being in pain, but that's okay because today I'm going to show you how to make your eyes look less puffy and more defined in 3 super quick, easy steps. And stick around to the end because I have a really cool eye exercise that makes you feel more awake and look more awake. And it relaxes the area around your eyes. It's honestly wild how well this works. But let's get started. Step 1. Even the lid. Now here's the thing, when you're feeling tired or puffy, your instinct might be to apply a brighter color to brighten up the eyes. But this can actually make your eyes look smaller, even more puffy because the light shade makes everything pop forward. Instead, use a shade that matches your skin tone or even half a shade darker. But for most people, not everybody, but for most people, a skin matching shade is best for puffiness. And then you can go in and brighten up any areas that you really want to. Now you can use your concealer, your foundation, whatever it is, just make sure it matches the rest of your face. Step 2, add soft depth. Now you're going to want to take an eyeshadow at least 1 shade darker than your skin tone. I actually keep a cream eyeshadow stick in my bathroom and I apply it with my fingertips. Because honestly, most days I will look in the mirror and be like, why do I not look myself? And I'll put this on and I suddenly look more awake and I look more put together. But today I'm going to show you how to use a powder eyeshadow. You can also use your bronzer if you want to. Now your placement for this is going to be focused mostly on the lid and then blended all the way upwards. So you want to focus this on the lash line to begin with, blending as you go. And I'm keeping my hand quite low in front of me. This is just going to make sure that we're focusing most of the product on the lower part of the lid. And then as we start to blend upwards, we're going to shear this off. So once the lid is done, you're just going to bring your hand slightly higher and you're going to sweep over and back across the crease. This is going to add some structure, it's going to sculpt the eyes, and it's going to add some depth. Be sure not to pick up too much product. This should be sheer. It should just look like you have a little bit more structure to your eyes, not that you've really necessarily applied anything on them. Then I'm going to take the brush and I'm going to pinch it downwards to create like a fan shape and sweep this underneath the lower lashes. This is just going to tie everything together. We're just using whatever's left over on the brush and it's just going to add some more definition. Step 3, define the lash line. This part is optional, but I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can define your lash line. Now, if you want more details, you can definitely check out the magic eyeliner technique, which I've shown in a previous video. I'll link it above and below. It's basically pushing eyeliner in between the lashes, so it defines the eyes, but it doesn't look like you're wearing eyeliner. But I am applying a little bit of this gel liner across the lash line, and I'm going to very softly smudge it out with my fingertips. Also, if you want to add a wing, you can as well. You can check out the blink eyeliner technique, which I've shown in a previous video. I'll link it above and below. I don't want people to see I'm wearing eyeliner. I just want my eyes to just look a little deeper at the lash line. After that, finish however you like. Curl your lashes. Sometimes I just stop there, and that's fine for the day. But today I actually need lots of mascara. And I mean lots of mascara. I need to open up those eyes, and that's what mascara does. On the left, you can see the after, and on the right, the before. My eyes look more open, they look more defined and less puffy, and they're almost taking up more space on my face. But they do still look quite tired. So I'm going to pop on some lashes. Sometimes lashes are like a cheat code. They just really help your eyes stand out, take up more space, and even look more awake. Now this is a great stopping point, but my eyes still look a little bit tired, which brings me on to this bonus trick. This is one of my absolute favorite little hacks, especially for my chronic illness spoonies out there. You know what it looks like when you're carrying all that tension. And this will actually help you so much. And all you have to do is to look upwards. Look upwards. And then slowly bring your focus back to straight in front of you. And repeat this a few times. Looking around, looking back and forth. And this actually helps relax the eye muscles. It genuinely does make you feel like you are more awake. It tricks your brain. It's kind of like how a fake smile can kind of trick your brain into thinking you're happier. It's kind of like that, but it makes you feel more alert. And just look at the before and after. And yes, some people might say,
you just open your eyes wider.
And to that I will say,
try it.
And sometimes looking good can make a this feel good, but the cool thing about this is it kind of does both. It doesn't last a really long time, but you can just repeat it whenever you need to. And as always, my friends, be kind to yourself, be kind to others, and thank you for all the love that you gave my boy Rocco. He has had such a tough life, but he's hanging in there and he's doing really good. So thank you for all the love that you showed him. It was very, very sweet. And I'll see you in the next one.